When it comes to deep acne scars, Calcal is key. This is subcision to release the fibrous bands.
Hi guys! Kasama natin today si James. Siya yung new hire namin na medtech dito sa Makati. Dinudumog nyo kasi kami, no? So kailangan na namin ng marami pa. Anyway, alam niyo naman, pinaproject ko yung mga bago kong hire kasi mga kinukuha ko talaga yung mga pwede project. Ang problema ni James, ang dami niyang acne scars, ang dami niya rin acne, no? So, for his acne, tinarta namin siya sa Isotret. Remember guys, hindi pa rin puro acne scars lang. You also need to treat your acne while you are treating your acne scars kasi walang point. It's a vicious cycle. Kung puro scars lang iti-treat natin and dami niyo pang acne, then walang sense kasi yung mga bago niyong acne, pwede na naman yan maging bagong scar. Dapat sabay. Nag-start na siya sa Isotret, medyo nagtitake effect na, nababawasan na yung pimples. Pwede na tayong mag-start na acne scar protocol. We're gonna do the 6-in-1. Yan yung My, Subcision, Chempil, CO2, PRP, TCA Cross, and Regerat. Dito, malalalim yung scars ni James. Mostly rolling, so kailangan ko mag-subcision sa part na to. As you can see, meron ba siyang mga active acne, pero nabawasan na yun because of the Isotret. So, papayag na ako mag-protocol to do. Other side, mostly rolling din. Meron tayong konting box scar and ice pick. Remember, it's always a combination of all three types of atrophies. Magsa-subcision din ako dito sa cheek.
After injecting anesthesia, we will be performing the subcision. Okay? Because of the anesthesia that we injected, wala ka na halos ma-feel with this. I know ito yung pinaka-scary panoorin, but this is the most important. We really need to release all those fibrous bands. If subcision is done na medyo pabebe lang, no? Hindi talaga nagugubat yung fibrous bands, we will also expect minimal improvement. Next is chemical peel. This is to prepare your skin for the CO2 laser. This is frosting, so yan yung pamumuti from the chemical peel. We are now doing the CO2 laser and the TCA cross. This is PRP microneedling, so we are infusing the PRP sa skin ni James and then mina-microneedle natin para mas pumasok. Last procedure natin is Regeron S. This is a polynucleotide. It's like we're injecting Lego blocks of collagen sa skin. Very, very effective for scars, no? So, pipiliin natin yung mga pinakamalalim na scars. Then, we will be injecting the Regeron S. Very good results.